2 minutes of information, entertainment, and events in Atlanta and beyond. This is the Daily 2.
I'm Shannon Walsh with the Daily 2, and with us again this week is Jackie Polisi, family safety advocate from Montlick & Associates. Welcome, Jackie.
Thanks, Shannon. On behalf of the attorneys at Montlick & Associates, we'd like to wish everyone a safe and prosperous New Year.
Many people are home taking it easy today, watching football, perhaps reflecting on personal goals and commitments for the coming year.
Yes, it's never too late to make those New Year's resolutions. Here's one New Year's resolution we hope will be on everyone's list. I pledge to never text while driving.
That's a huge one. I understand that several months ago, Montlick & Associates created a new public service campaign about this.
That's right. We uncovered research that says texting while driving increases crash risk by 23 times. So we decided to act fast. The firm created a television campaign that encourages all drivers to adopt a strict hands-off policy. We also have billboards up to remind drivers while on the road.
That message really drives the point home.
As part of our commitment to safety education, Montlick & Associates is working hard to get the word out. The campaign is also posted on the Montlick & Associates website. And parents, you'll find a link there that allows you to email the videos to your loved ones so you can make sure to drive the message home to your teen drivers.
Thank you, Montlick & Associates, for helping make our roads safer. For more information about Montlick's Don't Text and Drive campaign, and to register for your free safety alerts, go to montlick.com and click on Family Safety and Legal Tips. I'm Shannon Walsh with the Daily 2.
For more information and to get more of the Daily 2, log on to WSBTV.com/Daily 2.